Anyway, I'm going to make you a nice, lovely, fresh cucumber juice today. It's gonna be very easy and simple and forward and straight right on it, guys. Honestly. Anyway, first thing you need to get your Ninja blender, and that's very important. All right, guys. So we have the Ninja blender. Get yourself a medium-sized cucumber or large, whatever cucumber you like, and all you're going to do is cut up your cucumber into some pieces. Chunky bits, put them inside of the Ninja blender. Just like this, and just like this, alright? And just like that. Lovely. We can put a few fresh pieces of mint inside of it to bring in a lovely flavor to it. Although it is a cucumber drink, but we're gonna put some fresh mint in it. And that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor and taste towards it, guys. Second thing, if you got some lemon, it's worked really well. Alright. So we're going to squeeze half of a lemon inside of it. And that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor also. Just to catch the seeds of the lemon then. Nice one. So natural cucumber juice is really good for our immune system. I want to say to you, you don't even need to add any liquid or any water to cucumber, you know, because something which is 95% of the cucumber is just water. All right, but only thing, the reason why I'm going to put a little bit of water is just to free up my blender. But I'm not gonna put a lot of water, tiny little bit of water to free up the blender. All right, so we need a piece of a ginger. We all know that ginger going to bring in a lovely flavor to it also. We're gonna pop that straight inside of it, and that's straight inside of it. If you want to put a little bit of honey also, that's fine, but you don't need to. Tiny bit of honey. Nice one. And then we're gonna leave it like that, and again I'm gonna blend it. If I get my Ninja blender right over here, and then we're going to blend this for a minute or a second. Just finish blend it. All right, all I'm going to do is remove the lid, and I'm gonna just simply strain it. We don't need the fiber, we just need the liquid. All right, fresh cucumber juice, really amazing. And we're gonna put the rest. Really nice. Look there. That's the only thing I like about the Ninja blender. It blends out every single thing. Nice and lovely. So we don't need to go any further with it. It's pretty good right here. See? Fresh cucumber juice. Look at this. Really, really amazing to know exactly what we can do at home with stuff, with natural ingredients. It's just amazing to know what we can do at home, guys. It is amazing. Look, a bit of fresh mint on top of it like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Juice Bar channel, we got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things. Cheers to all of my fans them. Fresh cucumber juice, you can make it at home, very easy and simple. Cucumber is good for us, you know what I mean, that's clean out our immune system also too. I love this natural stuff, guys, and I always stick to my natural thing, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So enjoy the recipe, please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and tell me what you like, tell me what you want me to make for you. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus. Get your favorite recipes from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I love you all. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. And I want to say cheers to every one of you guys. Fresh cucumber.